Hello students, in this video we'll discuss some problem from exercise 18.1. So let's start. Question number 5. So question number 5 is given here. A flooring tiles has shape of parallelogram whose base is 18 centimeter and corresponding height is 6 centimeter. Suppose this is the tile. This is the shape of parallelogram. Okay. So the base of this parallelogram tile shape is 18 centimeter and height is 6 centimeter. So you have to cover some area with these tiles. Okay, so at first what to do, you have to find out the area of these tiles. So how to find out the area of a parallelogram shape body? Base into height. So base is given here 18 centimeter and height is given here 6 centimeter. So this is the area of the tile shape figure. Clear? Now the area of the floor is given here 540 meter square. You have to cover this area with these tiles. How many tiles is needed here? So what to do? You have to divide this total area of this floor divided by each tiles area. But look at here, the floor area is given in meter square and but tiles area is given in centimeter square. So what to do? You have to convert them as same unit. So we are converting here meter square to centimeter square to meter square. Look at here how. So we know that how to convert meter to centimeter. So you have to divide 1 meter is equal to 1 by 100 centimeter. Okay, then you have to convert here 1 meter square to centimeter square. That means you have to divide this number by 1 by 100 square. Okay, that means 1 by 10,000. So if you divide this number by 10,000, then it will convert it to meter square. Now you have to divide these 540 by each tiles area. Then you will get the number of tiles required to cover the area. Okay, so there are required 50,000 tiles. Now go to our next problem, question number 7. So question number 7 is given here. In a adjoining figure, the area of enclosed between the concentric circles is 770 centimeters square. So if the radius of the outer circle is 21 centimeter, calculate the radius of the inner circle. So suppose this is the circle and this is the inner circle. So radius of the outer circle is given here 21 centimeter. So this is the radius of the outer circle, that is given 21 centimeter. So the radius of the inner circle be smaller and area of this enclosed figure, that means this area is given here 770 semi square. So how to find out this area? How to find out this area? So area of the outer circle, that means pi into capital R square, that is 21 given. So pi into 21 square minus pi into smaller square, because if you subtract this area, this smaller circle area, from this bigger circle area, then you will get the area of this part, this shaded portion part. Okay, so this area is given here, 770. Now from here you can easily find out the value of R. So that is approximate 14 centimeter. Okay, now go to next problem. question number 8. So question number 8 is given here. A copper wire, when bent in the form of square, enclosed the area is 121 semi-square. So a copper wire is bended and the shape will be a square. So this is a square. Enclosed area is 121 semi-square. So area of this square shape body is 121 semi-square. If the same wire is bent into the form of circle, find the area of the circle. So same wire is bent and make a circle. So you have to find out the area of this circle. Now look at here. So at first you have to find out the length of this wire. So wire here is area is given in this circle, in this square. From here you have to find out the length of this wire. So how to find? So you know that how to find out the area of a square. Side square is equal to area of the square. So from here a is equal to, it will be 11 happen. That means each side of the square will be 11 centimeter. Now find out the perimeter of the square. So perimeter of the square will be 4 into 11, so that is 44 centimeter. So this is the total length of the wire. So if you bend this wire and make a circle, so this total length of the wire is converted to the perimeter of the circle. Okay, so perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is equal to 44. So from here you can easily find out the value of r. So from here r is equal to 7 centimeter. Now you have to find out the area of this circle. So you know that what is the formula of finding the area of a circle? That is pi r square. So pi is 22 by 7 and r square is 7 into 7. So multiply it. 7 will be cancelled out, and if you multiply them, you will get here 154 semi square. Okay. So this way you have to do left of the problem. Thank you everyone.